Pause the video for 1 second. Now, ask yourself this honestly. If someone played back your entire 2025 on a screen, would you be proud to watch it? Most people wouldn't. And that's exactly why leaving this video right now would be a mistake. Because 2025 didn't fail loudly. It failed quietly. It failed in the moments you planned to work, but opened your phone instead. You remember how this year started. New goals, new energy. This time will be different. But intention without structure always collapses. At first, it was harmless. I'll scroll for 5 minutes, then I'll start. 5 minutes became 30. 30 became guilt. And guilt became avoidance. Not failure, delay. That's how 2025 slipped through your hands. You didn't quit your goals, you postponed them every day. And the worst part? Procrastination didn't feel dangerous. It felt comfortable. Another video, another reel, another tomorrow. Remember the workouts you promised yourself? January motivation, February excuses. By March, the goal was already dead. Not because you're weak, but because consistency was optional. 0 workouts don't happen overnight. But here's the real reason 2025 didn't change your life. You tried to overhaul everything at once. You didn't tell yourself, I'll work for 10 minutes. You told yourself, I need to fix my entire life. And your brain did what it always does when the task feels too big. It shut down. You watched productivity videos, saved motivational posts, planned your comeback 100 times, bought notebooks, wrote goals that looked beautiful, but execution? Inconsistent. Because consuming self-improvement feels like progress, but it's not. And slowly, quietly, something heavier showed up. Guilt. You knew you could do more. You felt it every night. Every time you scrolled instead of building. Every time you chose comfort over growth. That guilt piled up until it turned into acceptance. This is just who I am. No, that's who you became without a system. And if 2025 taught you anything, it's this. Motivation is unreliable. Willpower runs out. Big goals collapse under pressure. But small actions? They compound. 2 minutes beats 0. 1 workout beats none. 10 focused minutes beats perfect planning. Now listen carefully. 2026 is coming whether you're ready or not. Time does not negotiate. The days will pass anyway. So the question isn't, will you change? The question is, will you change your approach? Comment comeback if you're done repeating years. Because the next video is not inspiration, it's a real system to rebuild your discipline in 2026.